today we are here with another class of Photoshop. Today we will learn about the paint brushes. Today I will show you different fundamentals and properties of paint brushes in Photoshop. Guys, I have downloaded some images from the internet. I want to show you first of all those. You can see first picture I have this picture entirely it is made with the help of brushes. You can see the strokes and colors and textures in this. Let's move to the second image. You can see guys, this tree is made with the help of brush. You can see these particles, these are made with the brushes. You can see if I zoom in, you can see the image. There are many of the properties in brushes tool that you can use and make a entire image, entire painting. Okay. Now I want to switch to the third image. Guys, you can see this sketch. This entire sketch is also made with the help of brush. You can see the photo effects behind this image. This is made with the help of what? This is made with the help of brushes. These are watercolor effects basically. You can see the effects in his face, teeth, tongue, etc. These are made with the help of brushes. Guys, if I move to the fourth image, you can see this entire sketch is made guys with the help of brushes. You can use the brushes to make the sketches, to make the paintings, to make the many other things as well. See these trees, you can see these effects are made with the help of paintings, and you can see this super cool painting. Yes, now I will show you some basic and fundamental properties of brushes. If you click here on this panel, you have here option of brush. You can see the shortcut key is B. If I switch to this option, if I press B on my PC, I will switch automatically to this brush because B for boy, B for ball is the shortcut key. Guys, now you can see this circle. This is basically the nib of my brush. If I click here, you can see it will make a circle, but if I click and drag, it will make a line like this. Guys, now if I go into my brushes settings, you can see here spacing option. If I increase the spacing, you can see this is making a line here. If I decrease the spacing, it will make the straight line like this. Its edges are straight. If I increase the spacing, you can see it will make the small circles like this. You can see. Now if I make a line, it will make the line like this. Like this. Guys, I always keep the spacing to 15 so that I could have the sharp brush. Guys, now I want to show you how you can increase or decrease the size of your brush. From here into this panel, you have many options. You can see here size. If you decrease, it will make the small size, but if you increase, you can see you will have the bigger size. If you keep on increasing, it will have even more bigger like this. You can adjust your size from here. Guys, now I will show you what is this option here. You can see if I click here and I drag this, you will decrease. It will make the angle like this. You can also make the calligraphy with the help of these brushes. I'm making it to normal. No, I want to show you another thing. It is super easy, super fun. Guys, I'm making it normal. Now I want to show you what is the hardness. You can see here you have hardness option. If I click here and drag, you can see it will have the soft edges, but if I increase the hardness to 50, you can see the edges are somehow improved. If I do 100, you will see the sharp edges. See, it has the sharp edges. It has soft, sharp, extra soft and sharp. So guys, you can see from here, I have here this brush. If I click here, you can see. Guys, this is all for today. In next class, we will learn about this upper panel and some other basic properties of paintbrush in Photoshop. Guys, if you have not yet subscribe and stay connected. This is artist Rabia signing off. Allah Hafiz.